Pony, your new sticker collection came in the mail. Should we open it? Yeah, let's do it. This is a big box. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is a huge collection of stickers. Oh my gosh. There's so many stickers. This is out of hand. You ordered so many. This is a lot. How many did you order? Should we open them one by one and check them out? For those who loved the apple head pony sticker, now we have the strawberry head sticker. That one's really cute. That's a cute one. I am obsessed with all of these. Good job, Pony. New Ponyland stickers coming to the website very soon. Oh, you already added them to the website? Oh, okay. Well then, stickers are ready right meow.